Assalamu alaikum, hi friends. Today we have this Eden MMA 300S welding machine, and problem with this machine is OC also. So let's start to find out the fault. We set our meter to diode position, and you can just see I connect both probe over there, and diodes are just fine. For this bottom plate, I already opened that machine, so I already checked that MOSFET is fine also. I just remove this and we reconnect. Now you can see the AC is gone. It means the fault is in the bottom plate with these transformers. This one of will be faulty. We just remove that wire one by one and we see which transformer is faulty. We just need to replace that, and our problem for OC will be gone. I show you here. We just remove the first lug of that connector and you can see the OC is gone. Either this one will be first or second or third, you have to replace it. But before that you have to remove this capacitor plate and then all open these and remove all these and just replace the transformer. That can be 22.4 EER 42 by 15 or either one of them. So just replace, your OC will be gone. Subscribe my channel for these inverter welding machine related troubleshoot and other power tools related videos. I hope you guys like my video. Thank you.